Xenoblade, a YouTuber known for his Minecraft streams, has died. He lost his battle with cancer at just 23 years old.
Whoa, is he some kind of king?
No. That's a legend.
Happy birthday, my son. You are not alone. And the universe said, I love you because you are loved.